name's Siobhan, sweet, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make some fabulous sausage rolls. Really simple recipe. So I've got here some pork mince. Also I've got some salt and pepper, some parsley, some sage. I've sweated off one onion, and my secret ingredients, what I love to add, is diced apple. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all is just bash up with a rolling pin the mincemeat, and that just makes it like sausage meat then. Now, if you haven't got mincemeat, what you could do is just get a pack of sausages and split it open and do it that way. But I just think it's easier just to buy a packet and do it this way. So just mince that up together, and then you're going to add your salt and your pepper. Quite a lot of pepper, like quite a lot of pepper in there. Pop your onions in. Parsley and sage. And give that a really good mix round. Then we're going to add the apples. So once that's well mixed in, we're going to put that into a piping bag. And then we're going to pop that into the fridge while we get our puff pastry ready. Before I do anything else, I'm going to just quickly get the egg wash ready. Now, top tip, you know I like to give you the top tips, is put a pinch of salt in there. I like to prepare the egg wash first because I like it to sit there for about 5 minutes, just so that it breaks down, the salt breaks down the egg, so when we come to brush it on, you won't get those snotty bits, as I say. So I've made my puff pastry, and if you want to make your own, please see the link above. If not, the shops have fabulous puff pastry. Just go for the all butter type and just roll it out. It comes on a sheet. Frozen one, just leave it out, just defrosted, and then roll that out. So I'm going to get this ready now. So once your pastry's rolled out, you're just going to put your sausage meat right down the middle. So I've got a piping bag, and I've got no nozzle in there. I've just cut the piping bag. I want quite a large hole in there. I'm just going to pipe down the middle. Now I want these sausages quite thick. Then we're going to get our egg wash, and just lightly, not too much, take it off the brush, just lightly egg wash one edge. And then we're going to fold that over. So you could use a fork and just fork all the way along there. I like to do a pinch, so I'm just using my thumb and my finger to pinch it along. Just make sure you're using the back of your knife when you do this. So you know I like to give you top tips. Well, the top tip when making sausage rolls is once you've egg washed them, you're going to put them in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Get your kitchen tidied down. So the reason I put them in the fridge is I just want the egg wash to set, because once it sets, it's going to give a really high shine in the oven. So 10 minutes in the fridge, that's all it takes. Now they're going to go into my oven for 180 degrees for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Well, just waiting for the sausage rolls now. I've got my cup of tea, nearly ready, palette knife and plate, ready for these gorgeous sausage rolls to come out. So can you see that and smell it? Can you hear it? Gorgeous sausage rolls. So it's lunchtime now, it's ready for my lunch, so I'm just going to try one of these. So thank you so much for joining me. If you like it, put the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.